You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature. Item provided by ORB Factory for review. Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop. Thanks for stopping by today. I truly appreciate it. I got a special box from ORB. I do need to say thanks to them for sending this to me to check out on video. It is a new product called Bubbleezz. So I have peeked in there, but I want to show you what's inside. So let me set up here so I can reach in and take out my new Bubbleezz. All right, here you go. I was going to give you a sneak peek inside so you can see how cool it is. They shipped it with these blue plastic balls inside, and they're very much like bubbles in the Bubbleezz. I thought that was a neat way to pack. And there was a little brochure here for the Bubbleezz launch kit. That's what we have, the Bubbleezz launch kit. Let's see, Bubbleezz are the latest collectibles from ORB, the company that brought you the hottest trend product of last year, soft and slow squishies. Bubbleezz are anticipated to be one of the top toys of 2018. Each Bubbleezz comes with their own unique story and personality, filled with hundreds of Bubbleezz beads. They have an amazingly unique feeling, making them nearly impossible to put down. Squeeze and transform your Bubbleezz to reveal hidden power charms, a secret key to your Bubbleezz unique personality. All right, now the rest kind of shows you all the different kinds. There's the super size, the jumbo size. We have Simon the Snow Beast, Ula the Hurricorn, Billy the Blue Bunny, Dinah the Dandelion, or Dina, I guess it depends on how you want to say it. All right, let's see. And then, find your inner power. What does your power chime reveal about your personality? All right, I'll have to figure that out. Ooh, it looks like when you squeeze it, I guess they were saying it's inside, so you can check it out at bubbleezz.com. All right, that's it for that. Let's see. Ooh, all right, so there's this power charm inside. All right, I'll have to check that out. Let's just slowly look around here. All right, on the bottom is bubble wrap, but here is a smaller one. This is the Bubbleezz Original Series number 1, the mega size. Ooh, okay, can't wait to check that out. That one's easy to grab too. All right, this is another original mega size. Ooh, squishy, all right. And then, let's see, is that one there? No, that's the bubble wrap. And then I have one more, it looks like. And I think I got them all. Pretty cool. I will keep those. All right, this is the ultra size. Look at that. All right, let me get the box out of the way, and then I will come back and we'll take a look at them. All right, here we go. So this is my power charm. Now, I have to look at the, whatchamacallit, the sheet, because remember it showed you the charms that are going to be inside. Now, if you look at the Bubbleezz, and then you look at the charm that should be inside. So this one says, Bailey loves having fun in the sun and is such a cutie, it's almost unbearable. And it looks like little music notes. So, let me see, where is that? That's the jumbo size. Ah, that's better. Find your inner power. So when you squeeze it, you find your charm. And this particular charm is, oh, that just came apart. Real easy. Is this. This is my charm. Okay, now, yeah, there's stuff in it, but it doesn't come apart anyway. So that is my charm. That is this one here on the 3. So if I had her, when I squeezed it, I would find one of those 3 charms. Now let's take a look here at what's going on here. So this is a mega. So I'm just gonna, I'll save one mega. Maybe someone out there is really interested in one of these, and I will keep that. And I will open this one. So let's see what it says back here. Bubbleezz. Live in a squeezy world of wonder and fun. Each Bubbleezz contains charms and secret messages that are clues to the unique personalities. These cute character combos are full of surprises and come in hundreds of shapes and sizes. Okay. So there are rare charms. Okay, common, rare, and ultra rare. Squeeze to reveal hidden charms, and then you don't know which is the ultra rare. Okay, how rare are your charms? I guess I'm starting to understand this slowly. Find out what each charm tells you about your Bubbleezz. You got a download collector's guide. Okay. There we go. Let's figure it out. Here we go. It's one step closer to learning about it. Okay, carefully. Ooh, squishy looking. Check that out. And I see one right there. I got the... Oh, and it's squishy. See, for some reason I thought the charm would be hard, but it's not. Oh, that does feel squishy. Look at that. And then this has got texture on the back. And then as you squish, you see them in there? Very nice. Very nice. And I have that. Ooh, that's such an interesting little sound. All right, so let's see. Now I don't know, I can't say what that thing is. It's like a little monkey. I got, yeah, Marigold Monkey. Marigold's favorite way to spend the day is hanging out with Bubbleezz besties, going bananas and monkeying around. So there should be a little moon-shaped banana in there kind of thing. I don't know. It's either a moon or a banana. Ooh, how could you not enjoy that? Now they have that sticky feeling to them, like you get with a lot of these toys. And I'm noticing that they're staying together pretty good. They're not breaking apart. There's my monkey face. All right, very cool. That's my second item. Well, look at this one. This one has got 3 charms in it. Okay, same back. Squeeze to reveal. Same little story there. Let's get in it. And let's see. Oh, I just noticed there's a little air hole on the side. I'm trying to be very careful not to cut my Bubbleezz. The last thing I want to do is cut. You see what I mean about being sticky? It's sticking to the bag. Oh, look at that. It just reminded me of grapes. I don't know why. When I saw it that way, it's really a neat... Oh, wow. It comes out of the bottom. Let's see if it squishes up. Cool. Check that out. All right, where are my charms? Did I see it? I saw something there. Yep. There's one. So it's yellow. Oh, there are the other 2. And they're also squishy. It looks like a little, like a table almost. Let's see. Let's see. This one looks like a little lamb or sheep. Bella Berry Sheep. Bella is very happy to stand out from the herd. Okay, and then let's see. Okay, Bella, where? Oh, Bella's not here. So Bella has a little lightning bolt, a little heart-shaped thing, and a crown. That thing I thought was a chair. Must have been a crown. Let's see if they stick. They do a little bit. See that peeling? Yes, I could see these being squished and played with and tossed around. Let me do this though. Let's get them under the light. I think these are the kind of things you want to see with a light underneath them, and then we can kind of squish them and look around and check them out that way on my light board. See my stuff in there? Oh, there's a little lightning bolt. There's my crown. Alright, I'll be right back with the light board. Alright, here we go. Now you can see them under the light. It's a different effect altogether. Now, it might be a little bright on the thin parts, but I think you get the idea. Look at the bottom. So this is solid here, solid and squishy. And then, just like this outer part, then you have your cool squishy. Look at that, see? You can stretch it and squeeze it under the lights. Alright, let's check out the big one. Now this one, let's stretch, see if we can stretch this one. Oh, it's pretty. It actually is pretty under the lights, isn't it, the color? You get different shades. It's like lighter on the outer edge, and then darker in the center part. Well, now you can kind of see how it was sticking there. Look at that there. See that? When I squish it out, It really sticks good. And they're holding up really nice in there. I don't see many broken ones. So they are keeping their shape. And you get that squishy sound. Listen. Does this one squish like that? A little bit harder because it's got bigger mats. And then with these, this is almost like, looks like dimples on a golf ball. But they're not going in, they're going out. And then this has got really big ones. Ooh, see my charm? Ooh. It really wants to stick. Interesting. See now, look at that. When you stretch them out, they really want to stick together. Listen to that sound. Here, let me do it up here. Listen. You hear that? I'm sure you can. If I could hear it, you could hear it. Alright, tell you what, I'm just going to play a little bit, and I will squish them around, add a little bit extra video to the end here, the different sounds and the squishing. I do want to say thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed the video. I will put more information in the description area for my Bubbleezz. Thanks for taking time out of your day. I really do appreciate it. Commenting and hanging out. It means a lot to me, and it helps me out quite a bit. I do appreciate it. And thanks for watching, everybody. So what I'll do is I will come back, maybe, give you a couple close-ups, and just enjoy the different sounds. I will stop talking and say, later! If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS-Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.